Dear listeners, do you know that this earth, on which we humans have been living for thousands of years, is laid on what? Geologists and scientists have different sayings about this, but as you know that, all the intellectuals and experts of the world cannot reach the dust of the feet of a Sahabi in religious understanding. So on what is the earth laid? Let's know about it today from the great Sahabi Abdullah ibn Abbas. He says that Allah first created the pen of destiny among the creatures, and said to it, "Write." The pen said, "O Lord, what should I write?" Allah said, "Write the destiny." So the pen wrote down all the events from that time until the day of resurrection. After that Allah wrapped the book of destiny and lifted the pen. At that time the throne of Allah was on the water. From that water vapor rose up to the sky, which formed the skies. Then Allah created the light and placed the earth on it, and the earth was on the back of the fish at that time. When the fish moved, the earth also began to move along with it. So the mountains were built on the earth to make it strong and stable. For this reason, the mountains will continue to be proud of the earth until the day of resurrection. After narrating this tradition, Abdullah ibn Abbas recited this verse of the Holy Quran.
Noon wal qalami wa ma yasturun.